Hello everyone, today we will talk about the transit Mars. The transiting Mars is in square with natal Earth. The way the transiting Mars behaves in square with natal Earth depends on the position of the natal Earth. This transit may be more prominent in your life if you already have planets in aspect with natal Earth. But the basics are this. Your ambition and passion for property are strong, and they mobilize you to tend to spend a lot of energy investing in the business just for the reason of confirming your individuality. That's why you have more problems with business associates, which is probably the result of fundamental physical tension. The desire is heightened, and high energy makes the whole situation more challenging, and more convincing. For the complexity of this discrepancy, you definitely need to put some effort to satisfy the desires. But what you will feel in this situation is that you are giving more than you are receiving. This is where tensions arise, and the consequences of the problem of these tensions include the inability to express oneself openly. You just want more, but do you want to give more than what you do? That could also be a key issue. You affirm dominance, and tension affirms that you can't do what you want. Eventually desire becomes frustration, and light anger irritability and wrath. Here it is necessary to set the right balance that satisfies both needs and desires. But be very careful how you act on these circumstances, as this will lead to inappropriate situations that will not help in the future of your business. Likewise, if you are planning to spend time for pleasures and fun, it will happen to you that you will be overwhelmed with too many commitments waiting for you. The real meaning would be that the balance is very delicate and easily broken. If you start blaming others subconsciously because they don't give in to you, it will lead to a conflict that will only confuse you. And work routinely and predictably brings frustrations. Now you can experiment with various forms of business activities, especially if it's something you've wanted to try for a while, and at the same time you'll really need to relax. Look for a peaceful atmosphere and comfort. As we have already stated, your ambition is very strong, so you may end up in some other inappropriate progress or project. What you are looking for is to feel more alive in your body, and to give more of your physical fitness in whatever you can touch or taste. Compromise in your resolution of conflicts with others is likely to be necessary, but achieving the same can prove challenging. So, it may be better that instead of putting yourself in the foreground to perhaps mobilize, you trigger an energy that is more pronounced and stronger than usual. And ignore your needs. Although your impatience is great now, with people in general, you need to improve your business skills. But like all Mars transitions, you have to be careful not to try to make too many changes at once or catch more than you can manage now. Therefore, even though you are more impatient with minor delays or obstacles, you have a nose for all money transactions, especially in buying and selling expensive real estate and movables that do not lose value. If the competition shows interest, it will be very frustrating and will lead to a fight in which, as we have already stated, you can invest more than you get. So a huge amount of physical energy can be very productive, but the same request a demand, you can overdo it in energy, fast food and drink. Especially in drinking coffee. Just keep in mind that you are the one who needs to control your exaggeration, and that you can simply just enjoy the benefits of the energy that Mars offers. But also, that you don't have to make up for lost time right away. Also, don't allow yourself to end up doing things you don't want or don't need at all, or lose control of the situation.